Ever wondered how to make the perfect whitebait fritters? We're about to embark on a culinary journey, transforming simple ingredients into a seafood delight. This step-by-step guide will demystify the process, leading to a delicious outcome. Stay tuned to discover the secret to these tasty bites. The ingredients you'll need are simple and few. Begin with a cup of fresh whitebait, a pair of eggs, a quarter cup of flour, and salt and pepper to taste. You'll also need some butter or oil for frying and lemon wedges for that tangy finish. With these simple ingredients, you're on your way to creating a seafood delight. First, give your fresh whitebait a good rinse and pat dry. Now, we'll whip up a batter that's going to make these fritters sing. Start by beating 2 eggs in a bowl. Gradually introduce a quarter cup of flour, stirring as you go to keep things lump-free. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and pepper. It's all about layering those flavors. Lastly, fold in the whitebait, making sure each little fish is coated evenly. Once your batter is smooth and your whitebait is mixed in, you're ready for the next step. Now comes the fun part, cooking the fritters. First, heat your non-stick frying pan over medium heat and add a dash of butter or oil to coat the bottom. Once it's sizzling, spoon in small portions of the whitebait batter, forming individual fritters. Allow each one to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, until they're a beautiful golden brown. Keep a keen eye on them. You don't want them to burn. After a quick fry, your fritters are almost ready to enjoy. Finally, it's time to serve up your delicious fritters. Once they're a golden brown, gently move them onto a plate lined with paper towels. This will absorb any excess oil and keep your fritters nice and crisp. Now, arrange them on a serving plate, and don't forget those zesty lemon wedges. The lemon's fresh tang is the perfect contrast to the rich, savory taste of the fritters. A little squeeze just before you take a bite. And voila! There you have it, perfect whitebait fritters, ready to enjoy. Bon appétit!